Well, we've just been out to one of the local car parks that for years has always had a puddle in it, nearly all through the year. So I thought it'd be an ideal place to go and test the car. We've driven round there and they've fixed the puddle. There's no water there at all. So I have to create my own puddle now. Got some thin plastic. There's a bit of a dip in our pavias there, and there's usually a puddle there when it rains hard. So I'm using that to make us a puddle that hopefully we can run the car straight through. And maybe see it float in the middle. Depends how deep it goes when it sits in the water, doesn't it? I think there's a good chance this won't be deep enough, but we'll get a general idea anyway. I want to test it before we try putting it in any deeper water. Looks like we've got enough water in there. It's floating along with the wind blowing it. It's only just enough water, it clearly touches the bottom in places, and that plastic is ever so thin, so as soon as we start running this up and down it's going to tear the plastic and we're going to lose the water. So we're not going to get many attempts at this. Well, it works. I think that's about it really. Haven't got enough space to give it full rein. And I don't think that battery's holding the power, is it? That's already run down. That's disappointing. Because we can always change the battery, upgrade it to a LiPo or something. So that's not a big deal. 6-volt battery, replace it with a 7.4 LiPo. Probably burn it out, but yeah, it works and it floats. So that'll do for now. it works. I think that's about it really. Haven't got enough space to give it full rein. Holding the power, is it? That's already run down. I've just given the battery another charge because this puddle I've created won't last much longer, so I want to give it another go before the water runs away. See it, the battery is beginning to run down now, so I would say that battery's probably past its best. But we have at least seen it play in the water. Yeah, it's definitely slowing down now. Yeah, having trouble getting it to turn round now. So that was about 5 minutes on the battery. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.